Today, we're going to learn how to create tree-felling AI videos. Let's get started. First, we're going to copy this prompt. You'll find the link in the description and the pinned comment. Then, we'll send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate 10 different video ideas for us. From those, we'll simply choose the one we like the most and send the idea number back to ChatGPT. Once we do that, ChatGPT will create everything we need for the video. Now it's time to generate the video. First, click Copy to Image Prompt. Then, go to the Google Flow website. Click New Project, then select the following settings: Image 9:16, Nano Banana 2, and X1. After that, paste the prompt and click Generate. Once the image has finished generating, go back to ChatGPT and click Copy to Video 1 prompt. Now, return to Google Flow once again. Click here and choose the following settings: Video, Frames 9:16, OmniFlash 8 seconds, and X1. Then, click on the generated image, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and click Generate. When the video is finished, go to the last frame of that video and click Save Frame. Next, return to ChatGPT and click Copy to Video 2 prompt. Then, go back to Google Flow. Click on the saved image, choose Animate, paste the new prompt, and click Generate once again. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.